What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. And I know y'all been seeing my unboxing videos, been giving y'all first looks, you know, early looks, late looks, in between looks, just been giving y'all looks back to back to back. And you know, why would I stop there? Why not give y'all more looks at certain shoes? So with that being said, I got another look for y'all, a shoe y'all probably been waiting on, a shoe that, you know, a lot of y'all are fans of. Y'all say it kind of reminds y'all of an EMINEM 4, you know. Some of y'all say it's a poor man's EMINEM 4. Well, I don't believe in no poor man nothing. The shoe is a shoe. M&M's are M&M's, and these are these. So let's like nip all that in the bud right there. There are no poor man shoes. Every shoe, everybody has a shoe for everybody. There's a Jordan for you. There's whatever shoe there is, there's a shoe for everybody. There's no such thing as a poor man's shoe. But enough about that, man. Let's get into what the shoe I'm talking about. And that sneaker is the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas. Alright, y'all, you see the box. Nice, you know, Jordan flight all over the upper of the box, all red letters, all red Jumpman. I do like the fact that the box has this real nice black sleek look to it, you know what I'm saying? Like a smooth, you know, real discreet look about the box. Like, it's like, you see this, like, what kind of shoe is this? See this, like, okay, I know it's a Jordan, but you know what I'm saying? Of course you're gonna probably tell because of the flight, but it's not your typical Air Jordan 4 box. Now, you know, here's your typical Air Jordan, you know, size tag though. It has your Air Jordan 4 Retro SE on it, size 11, which is my size if y'all didn't know that by now. So if y'all want to see me some shoes, you know, y'all might, you know, hey, AC wears size 11. I don't know if y'all feeling generous, that is. But enough about that. Let's get into what's inside this box, man. Now, right off the bat, we got this galaxy looking theme to the shoe. I'm not for sure like exactly what this theme is for, or like, you know, if it's been on Jordan 4 boxes in the past. The past few Jordan 4s that I have reviewed, I have not seen this theme on the box, so I'm not for sure exactly what that theme correlates to. It kind of gives me like a Air Jordan 4 Zen Master vibe. Y'all know those what I'm talking about. So I don't know, maybe that 4 used the same kind of material. Maybe they just reused the materials from that box and put it on this box, but who knows? Never had that shoe in hand, so I never really watched any videos on it, so I couldn't tell you. But enough about the box. Let's get into this box, man. Right off the bat, you got your all black, real, like I said, sleek, like discreet look about the shoe. Real nice shoe, man. Like the details. Now, I'm not a big fan of like this canvas material all over the upper of the shoe. Like it's cool, I guess, but it's not like something I really care for. Now, I do like this nubuck around the toe box area of the shoe. Now, this whole entire shoe had this material on it. I feel like this shoe would be way more overhyped than what it already is. I feel like the shoe has like somewhat of a hype to it, but it's not like a hyped up sneaker like a lot of other Jordan 4s that came out so far this year. Like, I feel like the Midnight Navies got overhyped for some reason. What else got overhyped? What other 4? I don't know. I'm drawing a blank right now. I'm not gonna ramble on about what 4s came out. I'm talking about the black canvas 4s right now. So once again, details in the shoe real nice. But it doesn't come with anything extra, no extra laces, no extra, you know, hang tag, no nothing. So I'm not for sure why it's called an SE. Maybe because of the materials on it, maybe because of the canvas material. But I'm not sure whether it's an SE sneaker because there's nothing special about it. Like, it's just I guess the canvas print on it. Well, not print, but the canvas design on the shoe. So maybe that's what it is. That's what makes it an SE. But I feel like they should at least came with like some sort of like a different color lace, you know, something to make the sneaker pop a little bit more. Even wax laces, you know, because it already has like this shiny canvas look to it. So I think wax laces in this sneaker would have definitely made it, you know, give a better touch to it than just, you know, your plain old black laces in the shoe. Like black wax laces would have been better. But once again, it's a dope sneaker overall though. The colorway is nice and neutral. It can go whatever you want to put it with, you know, just your typical black, white, well, black and gray, but it's a little white in the shoe. So you're all black with gray and white accents to the shoe. Got a gray Jumpman on the back. I don't know, I feel like Nike Air probably would have looked nice on these too, but I mean, they can't put Nike on every Jordan 4, you know, every Jordan 4 doesn't deserve a Nike Air tag on the back. So, you know, I kind of see why these didn't get it. But once again, it is an SE. So if it's an SE shoe, I feel like it should have the Nike Air on the back. But we got a Jumpman, which Jumpman is fine as well. You know, of course, that's the Jordan logo. So Jumpman has no issue with that. But nothing out of the ordinary with the insole. Just a typical, what is it, all black insole with a red Jumpman on it. No special shoe trees, just paper insert like a lot of recent J's have been coming with recently. These little, you know, what do you call these, like this little cheap paper, whatever you want to call it, inserts in the shoe. So nothing special about that as well, man. Just a typical Jordan 4 insert, or Jordan insert I should say. I think the Jordan 3s came with the insert as well. But if you like these shoes, man, you know you need something neutral to wear. You need you an all black shoe. This Jordan 4, this black canvas is definitely the shoe to go to. You know, I'm pretty sure resale on these won't be too crazy, so hopefully it'll be easy for y'all to get these shoes if y'all want them. Now, I did see this morning on sneakers they got pushed back to October the 5th. Now, I'm not for sure if that happened with like other stores like Foot Locker, Finish Line, Foot Action, Champs, you know, stores like that. I'm not for sure if they got pushed back as well because I didn't go to any of those stores to check. So if y'all went to those stores, if y'all want any of those rappers or any of those, you know, stores, let me know in the comments down below if y'all got y'all credit today or y'all got to wait till October the 5th as well. So I don't know why sneakers did that. I don't know why they would push it back to the 5th of October. You know, what's the difference between today and the 5th? Is there like some production issues or like some shipping issues? I'm not for sure what happened with that, but they did get pushed back to the 5th on sneakers. So if you didn't get them on, if you got them on sneakers, or if you try to get them on sneakers, you know, and it said something happened to it, it didn't sell out, just get pushed back to the 5th. So yeah, I still have a chance to get these, but I'm pretty sure a lot of stores, if they did drop in the stores, I don't think these is gonna sell out instantly. I mean, it's a nice shoe, of course, it's an all black shoe, but I don't see these being like an instant sellout like a lot of other Jordans. You know, recently a lot of Jordans have been sitting a lot. Like even to my surprise, I heard the Taxi 1 set for a little bit in certain stores. So I don't know. I thought the Taxi 1s was gonna be one of those shoes that everybody wanted to have, but that shoe even set. So I'm pretty sure these might sit for a little bit now, not too long. Because I'm pretty sure, you know, somebody's gonna look at these or people gonna start looking at these and start liking like the look of the shoe, the overall canvas look of it. It might start growing on people more, so these might end up selling out. Resale might start going up on them. So who knows? You never know. Stuff like that happens all the time. But I guess we'll see what the future holds for these shoes. But once again, dope shoe, nice neutral shoe that can go with pretty much any outfit you want to put together. You know, so if y'all want to pick these up, make sure y'all, you know, hit y'all local stores up. Make sure y'all get y'all sneakers as ready for the actual drop coming up on October the 5th, which is a Wednesday if I'm not mistaken. So y'all get plenty of time to prepare for the sneakers drop if y'all didn't get them in stores. But once again, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning in to all my videos, for, you know, liking my videos, man. Y'all getting my subscribers up there. I'm up to like almost 300 now. So hey, we getting this channel rocking and rolling. I remember starting my first video, barely having any subscribers, you know, barely even know what I'm doing with the whole, you know, YouTube thing. But now I get more comfortable with this whole YouTube thing. So I don't know, man. I feel like I got a lot more growing to do with it as well. So I'm still learning every day with, you know, the whole YouTube algorithm and the whole, you know, editing and everything like that. So constantly gonna keep putting out this good content for y'all, man. You know, just make sure y'all constantly liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos, man. It helps me out a lot too, man. So the more y'all like and subscribe, the more my videos get out there, the more people see it. And that really motivates me that y'all, you know, see my videos or even notice me, you know, out in public somewhere. You know, I appreciate that as well. So again, man, I appreciate all y'all for what y'all do for my channel, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, y'all. Peace.